Hello dear students, welcome to our GK class. I am Karishma Patel from Aswamik Vidyalaya. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 21, Famous Firsts. Dear students, today we will learn about the famous first person of our India. Okay, so now start. There are many Indians who have made a name for themselves because they have been the pioneers of their respective fields. Dear students, there are many Indians. ऐसे बहुत सारे इंडियंस हैं जिन्होंने अपने लिए अपना नाम बनाया है बिकॉज दे हैव बीन द पाइनर्स ऑफ देयर रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स। उन्होंने अपने फील्ड में अपने क्षेत्र में अपना नाम कमाया है, आगे बढ़ाया है। ओके, सो लेट अस नो अबाउट द फ्यू सच इंडियंस। ओके, सो नाउ रीड द क्लू एंड राइट द करेक्ट लेटर इन द बॉक्स टू नो द नेम। यहाँ पर कुछ क्लूज दिए गए हैं, उनके द्वारा हमें यहाँ इन बॉक्सेस में करेक्ट लेटर्स लिखने हैं। Okay, so first, she was the first Indian to win the title of Miss Universe in 1994. So, who is this? So, who is this? The first Indian to win the title of Miss Universe in 1994. So, she is the Susmita Sen. Okay, Susmita Sen is the first Indian to win the title of Miss Universe. Okay, and Susmita Sen is an Indian actress and model who was the crowned female Miss India in 1994 and won Miss Universe at the age of 18. वह जब 18 एज की थी तब उन्होंने मिस यूनिवर्स का ताज जीता था 1994 में. Okay, so here letter is D. Okay. Next, this famous man became India's first licensed pilot in 1929. So, this famous man became India's first licensed pilot. India का जो first licensed pilot कौन था? So, here J.R.D. Tata is the famous man became India's first licensed pilot in 1929. 1929 में इन्होंने इंडिया का फर्स्ट लाइसेंस पायलट प्राप्त किया था. ओके, सो हिज फुल नेम जहांगीर आरडी टाटा एंड on February 1929 that India got its first pilot in Jahangir R.D. Tata. Okay, so here letter is F. Next, she became the first woman IPS officer in 1974. इंडिया का जो फर्स्ट वुमन आईपीएस ऑफिसर कौन था? सो किरण बेदी इज द फर्स्ट वुमन आईपीएस ऑफिसर. ओके, सो किरण बेदी is an Indian politician related Indian police service officer. Okay, and she was the first female IPS officer and started her service in 1974. Okay, so here letter is B. Next, he was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel in 1958. So who is this? जिन्होंने 1959 में इंग्लिश चैनल पर स्विम अक्रॉस करने वाले फर्स्ट पर्सन थे. सो हु इज दिस? मिहिर सेन was the first Indian swim across the English Channel. Okay, Mihiर Sen was the famous Indian long distance and swimmer and businessman. Okay, and he was the first Indian to swim an English Channel from Dover in 1958. Okay, so here letter is E. So next, elected in 1966, she is the first and only woman prime minister of India till date. इंडिया की फर्स्ट वुमन प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थी? सो इंदिरा गांधी. ओके, इंदिरा गांधी जो इंडिया की फर्स्ट वुमन प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी. इंदिरा गांधी जो फुल नेम इंदिरा प्रियदर्शनी गांधी was an Indian politician and she was the first and to date only female prime minister of India. Okay, so here letter is C. So next, this great poet was the first Indian to be honored with the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930. This great poet was Rabindranath Tagore. जिन्होंने इंडिया का फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज 1913 में प्राप्त किया था. So Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet. Okay, and he is a writer, composer and painter, and his composer was chosen by two nations as a national anthem. जो इंडिया का था वह जनगण मन एंड बांग्लादेश का, जो बांग्लादेश का था वह अमर सोनार बांग्ला. ओके, सो इन्होंने टू कंट्रीज के नेशनल एंथम लिखे थे. ओके, so here letter is A. Okay, so now first, she was the first Indian to win the title of Miss Universe in 1994. So answer is Susmita Sen and letter is D. Next, this famous man became India's first licensed pilot in 1929. So answer is Jahangir Reddy Tata and letter is F. Next, she became the first woman IPS officer in 1974. So, answer is Kiran Bedi. Letter is B. Next, he was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel in 1958. So, answer is Mihir Sen and letter is E. Next, elected in 1966, she is the first and only woman Prime Minister of India till date. So, answer is Indira Gandhi and letter is C. Next, this great poet was the first Indian to be honored with the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930. So, answer is Rabindranath Tagore and letter is A. Okay, so now India is a democratic country. What does this mean? Dear students, India is a democratic country. Okay, India became a free nation on 15 August 1947. It declared itself a democratic and republic state with the adoption of the constitution on January 26 in 1950. Okay, so do you follow this at home or in school? Share it with your friends. Okay, next, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian astronaut who traveled into space in 1984. राकेश शर्मा जो है वह हमारे इंडिया के फर्स्ट एस्ट्रोनॉट मीन्स अवकाश यात्री थे, जिन्होंने फर्स्ट ट्रैवल अवकाश में कब किया था? 1984 में फर्स्ट ट्रैवल किया था. Okay, so dear students, here our chapter 21 is completed. Okay, and we will meet next video.